Smartfm presents Smart Up Your Life. Smart Up Your Life, an on-air and interactive English learning program.
101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Good evening, smart listener. Welcome back again to Smart Up Your Life, our English program discussion with me, Adelia Nabila, as a host today. And I have several friends in here from BPEC. Hi!
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm good.
So far, so good.
Okay. Because this is collaboration with Smart FM Makassar, please tell us with smart listener what is BPEC. Okay, maybe from Brother Amal.
Okay, so to all of you listener outside there, so BPEC stand for Benteng Panynyua English Club. So this is the oldest English club in Makassar, and our program, one of our regular program is called weekly Sunday meeting. So we held or we conduct discussion, and that's free for everyone. So if you are, and for every single age, so you can invite your family. Just come to our in front of Unismu Makassar. So there is a mosque there. So we conduct our daily program there.
Okay, it's totally free again.
Yeah,
If,
it's
yes. Okay, for the smart listener want to come in BPEC, just come. It's totally free. Okay. Could you introduce one by one? With you, I have a newcomer in here. Start from you.
Hello, listener. I'm the new one here. Actually, I'm
The
not,
new
I have
one?
Actually, I have been here once. In October last year. So this is my second time. So, hi, my name is
Okay.
Ahmad Budias, but you can call me Budi.
Hi, brother Budi.
Hi, Budi.
Hi, also.
Next.
Okay. Hello everyone. It's me again. I am Amaluddin, but everyone call me Amal. So you can call me Amal. Nice
Hi,
to meet
hi,
you guys.
brother Amal.
Hi.
The next one.
Okay, hello everyone. My full name is Muhammad Nabil Dafa. My friends call me Dafa. I'm still 17 years old. I'm senior high school.
Okay, hi, Rafa. Okay, for smart listener, want to the topic today is about body and mental health. So for smart listener, want to tell us just WhatsApp on 0811461011 or just comment on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Okay, we continue about the topic today about body and mental health. As you know that body and mental health, this is important things to security our mental health because when we still younger, so many problem can happen in our life. And so that's why body and mental health is really have to secure, especially for body, because this is related from body and mental health. Mental health, yes, is important thing. First, if you want to keep your body still healthy. Okay, I want to ask from brother Budi.
Okay.
For you, how important for you about body and mental health, especially how do you keep your body and especially for mental health, I mean.
I think for me, it's because I'm like 28 years old.
Okay.
This year, and you know, I really, I think I really because mental health could affect our body because if you like get some stress or like you get depression or you being depression, it can affect your body, your physical body because it can make you like weakness, like you don't have any energy at all, like you can not do stuff, like you just want to like laying on the bed. So and I also have friends that have been through stress and depression, and they're women, and one of the bad things that caused by stress and depression, they get they got tumor around their chest.
Oh, your friends?
Yeah, my
It's
friends.
like cancer and stuff.
I don't know if it's cancer or not, but it's just like tumor. Like they said that it's really hurt.
Just
like,
because of mental health?
yes, because
Wow.
they get because they thinking too much. Like they got overthinking, so it made them stress and depression. So yeah, it hurt them. Every time they breathing, it hurts
Wow.
in the middle of their chest. So they got they had surgery, and the doctor said that please don't be too tired.
Yes.
Don't be stressed, or don't be stressed, or don't get too much overthink, because it still can grow. It still can grow even though they cut to the tumor. It still can grow. So I think it depression and stress can really affect your physical body. So that's why I think that's why we have to maybe find our way how to maybe release the stress, or maybe get out of from depression, because everyone has their own way. For me, one of the because I've been through some stress. For me, one of my way to release the stress, I do exercise,
Okay.
because it helps me a lot. It can release my stress, and also I talk to people. I talk to people like this. Talking to people
Yes.
can heal you, because you
Like
get
share-
to like sharing your
sharing.
problems with
Mm.
everyone, even though you don't share your problems. You talk to people, like you hearing the stories, like how they living the life. It can help you to it can give you strength, like, oh, you're not alone in this world. You're not allowed
Yes.
to live.
Sometimes
face,
we
yeah.
need someone to
Yeah.
care about me.
Yes,
Yes.
it's why we have to find someone that we can trust, so we
Yes.
can tell our
And
stories.
they care
to them.
for you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
that's
good from Brother Budi. How about Brother Awal?
Okay, I think both of mental health and also body health or physical health is really important for us, and we cannot separate both of these things. Mental health refers to something that we can see,
Yes.
but we can feel it.
Yes.
And then the body itself, yeah, is a physical health. And I think both of these like have a really strong relationship. Like if the body if the mental health get down, then it also could affect the body health. And as Kak Budi said, that we have to find out, or we have to figure it out how to get rid of our stress
Yes.
and also overthinking, because
Yes.
being under pressure, it's really really can affect your mental health. But I think I personally see like mental health is a real thing, because I know
Yes.
like in Indonesia people not fully aware about mental health. For example, if you feel down, if you feel like you don't want to talk to people, then most of our society will say, oh, lebay, alay, and stuff.
Yes.
But that's a real thing. And then I think the most dangerous part of having a mental health is people treat you like you don't have mental health. That's the sad part of being of having mental health. And yeah, my piece of advice regarding mental health is you have to find out your like your joy, how you unwind your stress, how you like get rid of your stress. And then this kind of activity, um like you are the one who knows what kind of activity
Yes.
that can like take you away from
Right.
this
What
condition.
actually your condition?
Yeah. And then you have to be honest to yourself.
Yes.
Like, I have mental health. I have to talk to people that I have this kind
Yes.
of illness. and it's not shameful at all.
Yes.
It's not shameful at all. So
Yeah,
that's for me.
we have to pay attention about this cases about mental
Yeah.
health. How about Brother Dafa?
So, talking about mental health itself, everyone needs good mental health because when people get stressed, they suddenly under pressure, and then they think about what I will do, what will I do, and then and sometimes other friends always get give some advice, but they themselves don't accept that advice because they already got under pressure. And mental health includes our emotional, our act in front of the public, and when we got good mental health, we can do everything. If we uh not I mean, like, if we got the bad mental health, oops, what's that?
Okay, continue.
And then the our bodies, all our body got sick always, and also the we got, how to say that, and then our mindset say that we can do this job, but our body cannot support our activity. Yeah, I mean that's all
Okay.
for me.
Yeah, thank you from Brother Dafa for your nice opinion. Okay, we move to the next question about body and mental health. Yeah, talk about body and mental health. Every people have to have many way to take care about their mental health. So start from Brother Budi again. Have you ever have experience about mental health, or maybe you have in the past you have some? Just tell us. We hear that.
You know, I don't know if I can say that I have been through some mental health, because I've been through stress, but I don't know if it's some kind of depression or not. But I have been under a lot of pressure, but
Yes.
and also I think I have, I don't want to self-diagnose, but I think I have anxiety. Anxiety is part of mental health, because I have anxiety because every time, like, maybe, like, every time I lock my door at home,
Mm.
I always not just double check, but triple, maybe quartet check. Every, like,
Like 4 times.
yeah, 4 times. I have 4 times check, because after I lock the door, like, maybe, like, 15 minutes 15 minutes again, I check the door. Like, it makes sometimes it makes my mom, like, every time I go to the door, like, my mom always ask me, like, what are you doing? Like, you have locked the door, like, what are you doing?
Wait, lock the door.
Well, lock the door. Yeah, I lock the
like
door.
lock
Oh,
Yeah,
just
lock the
your
door.
habit.
Everything, like, at the front door of my house. Like,
Okay.
the front door of my house, and I was the one sometimes, or me,
So
or
you
my
always
dad.
Forgot.
Yeah, not I forgot. Like, yeah, I always forgot, but I have to double check, because sometimes I afraid that if I didn't check, if I don't double check, I'm afraid that that the robber can come to my house, and it will be my fault, and I don't want to be I don't want to
You
be
don't want to be
blamed.
blamed.
I don't want to be blamed because of it. Because and I also sometimes my mom always sometimes forgot to lock the door.
Yeah.
So it's always me who always double check.
So really dangerous if you don't lock the
Yeah.
door.
Yeah, it's really, and and honestly, it makes me kind of stressed, about this
Yes.
anxiety. So sometimes I feel like I just have to pay really attention to something, so I don't have to double check it,
Mhm.
And also, yeah, I think it's my experience, because I cannot diagnose myself if I have depression because I'm not the expert. I have to go to some professional like psycholog or maybe psychiatrist because we cannot make ourselves diagnose because it can. It's not our job to diagnose if we have some mental health problem.
Okay, so yes, thank you for your experience. Okay. Okay, we continue after the break, so don't go anywhere.
Yang ini bukan. Yang ini kurang komplit. Nih, bosan. Nah, yang ini nih, beli satu gratis banyak. Segera miliki kartu TFC Premium, Tribun Family Card Premium, kartu belanja gratis. Cuci mobil gratis di banyak car wash terbesar, nongkrong sambil